Hello children, how are you? In our previous videos, in the third chapter of the data handling, we did how to find out the arithmetic mean, how to find out the mode. Now today we will do how to find out the median of the data. As it is very much clear from its name, median, how to find out the median? Median refers to the middle value of the data. That means that observation which lies in the middle of the data. For example, there are three terms. So, for second term lies in the middle of the data. Again, for example, there are five observation 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Which lies in the middle? 17 lies in the middle. Two terms before 17 and two terms after 17. So 17 is the mid value of the data. So let's take another example, children. Here are 24 another data, that is 24, 36, 46, 17, 18, 25 and 35. We should remember children कि before finding out the median of the data, we will arrange the given data in ascending order and descending order. If we don't arrange them in proper order, that means in ascending or descending order, so mid value will go wrong, children. Okay, so let's arrange the data in ascending order, that is 17, 18, 24, 25, 35, 36 and 46, children. So you can see, children, 7 terms are there, 7 observations are there. So here 3 terms before as fourth term and 3 terms after fourth term, children. So you can see, children, but we have to apply the formula, children. We can apply median is equal to n plus 1. N means number of observations. So how many observations are there? There are 7 observations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. There are 7 observations. See, n plus 1 upon 2th term. This is the formula to find out the median of the data. So n means number of observations. 7 observations are there, plus 1 upon 2th term. That means 8 upon 2th term, that is 4th term. So which is the 4th term? 25 is the 4th term. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4th term is the 25. So therefore 25 is the median of the data. So this is the way to find out the median of the data when the number of observations, they are odd. Means 3 observations, 5 observations, 7 observations and 9 observations. When the number of observations, they are odd in numbers. So this is the way to find out the median of the data, children. So let's take another example from the exercise, that is see, children. Weight of the 15 students of a class in kilogram, they are given. So these are the 15 observations of the children. See, we first is find the mode and the median of the data, and the second part is there more than one mode? क्या एक डाटा में एक से ज़्यादा मोड हो सकते हैं? So we have to answer these questions. So let's first arrange the data in ascending order. So it will be convenient for us to find out the mode also, ताकि एक जैसी जो observations होंगी वो all together इकट्ठी आ जाएंगी. ठीक है, we can write them all together. See, children, here 32, 35, 35, 36, 37, 38, 38, 38, 40, 42, 43, 43, 43, 45, 47 and 15. See, children, here are 15 observations. So let's how many observations occurs maximum number of time? As you know, what is the mode of the data? Mode of the data is that observation which occurs most frequently, जो बार बार होती है, जो बार बार आती है, जो very common है, जो सबसे ज़्यादा बार आती है. That means which occurs most frequently. Since 38 occurs how many times? कितनी बार आ रहा है? 3 times आ रहा है. और इसी तरह से 43 कितनी बार आ रहा है? 43 3 times आ रहा है ये भी. It is 38 and 43. They are occurring both observations, they are occurring 3 times. So that means 38. अब आप भी कहेंगे 38 is the mode of the data. Another student will say 43 is the mode of the data, but 38 and 43 occurs 3 times, so that is maximum number of times. So 38 and 43 are the mode of the data, children. So that means what we can observe, children, there can be more than one mode. Yes, there are two modes of the data. That means more than one mode, children. Okay. So now let's find out the median. Same formula. Since the number of the observations, they are 15, children. 15 observations hai. Same formula we will apply. N plus 1 upon 2th term. What is n? Number of observations. So 15 plus 1 upon 2th term, that is 16 upon 2. 8th term. Which is the 8th term? 8th term is 40. Let's see, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is the 8th term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8th term. So 8th term is the median of the data, children. So I hope you understand, children. And later I will give you assignment also, children. Take care of yourself. Stay happy, stay healthy, children. Thank you. God bless you all. Thank you, children.